Most homeowners assume a new HVAC system will perform the way it's supposed to. In reality, performance is not guaranteed by the equipment. It's determined by how the system is designed, installed, and verified. Before the system is ever turned on, we prove it's tight. A proper pressure test confirms that there are no leaks and that the system is mechanically sound before moving forward. Next, we remove air and moisture from the system and verify that it stays out. The decay test tells us that the system is clean, dry, and uncontaminated. The furnace is part of the cooling system. Proper airflow is always verified so that the air conditioner can perform like it's designed to. Cooling performance depends on the entire system working together. No component ever operates in isolation. This vitals summary provides an overall snapshot of system health. Every major performance indicator is measured and verified, never assumed. On a properly installed new system, achieving these results is not exceptional. It's expected. This is what happens when you follow the process correctly. Capacity, temperature split, airflow, and dehumidification are measured against design conditions. This confirms that the system is delivering what it was engineered to deliver. When design, installation, and commissioning are all verified with data, performance becomes predictable. Now this is what a properly installed and commissioned system looks like.